Is your controller playing hide and seek with Steam, leaving you stranded without your favorite gamepad? First, let's check the basics. Ensure your controller is properly connected to your computer. Whether it's via USB or Bluetooth. If it's wired, try a different USB port for Bluetooth. Double check that it's paired correctly in your system settings. Next, open Steam and navigate to Steam settings. Click on controller, then click on general controller settings. A new window will pop up here. Make sure the configuration support box for your controller type is checked. This includes PlayStation, Xbox, Switch, and generic controllers. If you're using a generic controller, try enabling generic gamepad configuration support. Now, let's peek at your device manager. Search for it in the Windows search bar. Expand the human interface devices or sound, video, and game controller section. If you see your controller listed with a yellow exclamation mark, it means there's a driver problem. Right-click on it and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers and let Windows do its thing. Finally, try launching Steam in big picture mode. This mode is specifically designed for controller use and can sometimes force Steam to recognize your gamepad. You can find the big picture mode icon in the top right corner of your Steam window. And that's it. With these steps, you should be back in the game, controller in hand. If you're still having trouble, check the Steam support page or your controller manufacturer's website for more specific troubleshooting tips. Happy gaming!